super fun line dance to a brand new song by PYNK BEARD called Mine, Lord Willing. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, a lot of fun. This is a higher beginner dance, but I'm gonna break it down for you, make it easy to learn. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you know we have the next tutorial. All right, so check it out. The way I like to teach is I'm gonna show you first so you can kind of get the picture, and then I'll break it down. All right, follow me here. Just watching, my weight's on my left. I go walk, 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 kick, back, touch, step, turn. All right, let's break it down. With me now, you've got your weight on your left foot. We're gonna take 3 walks forward, starting with your right foot. We go right, left, right. From here, you're gonna kick your left foot, kick. Step back on your left. You're going to touch your right, step forward on your right, and a quarter turn. The weight ends on your left foot, the one closest to the back wall. All right, let's go ahead and try that again, nice and slow. Weights on your left, 3 walks, ready, go. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, step, back. Touch, forward, turn. How are we feeling? All right, let's try it again. We'll do it with counts this time. And remember, you always can rewind this as many times as you need to get as much practice as you want. It's a journey, so make sure you dance all out your way. Starting with your weight on your left with counts in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How'd you do? All right, watch me first. Here's the next piece. I'm gonna take my right foot. I go 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you got this. Weight's on your left foot. We've got our right foot free. You're gonna cross your right over left, then take a step out with your left foot. Weight shifts to your left. Now we're gonna do a step touch. We go right, touch your left, step left, touch your right. That's it, you got it. All right, let's try that again. Weight's on your left foot. We're gonna start with that right foot crossing over. Ready, go, cross and hold, step and hold. Now we side, touch, side, touch. All right, let's try it again. We'll do it with counts this time. So shaking it out, have your weight on your left foot. Here comes that cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How are we feeling? All right, let's take it from the very top of the dance. We'll put that together so we can have it make sense in our brains. Weights on your left, starting with that right foot heading forward. Ready, go. Here's walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, touch, step, pivot, cross and hold, step and hold, side, touch, side, touch. All right, let's go ahead and move on. I'm also going to show you some fun little variations to spice up the dance a bit. Okay, as usual, watch me first just so you get the picture. From here, we're headed to what's called our 9 o'clock wall. We walk right, left, step, twist, twist, stomp and hold, step, twist, twist. All right, come on and join me. Weights on your left foot. Stepping forward first on our right. We've got right, another step, left. This third one, we're not going to put all our weight. We're just going to kind of tap the water. Just touch it. Just make sure it's not too hot or cold. From here, I'm going to give my fringe a little twist. Swivel, swivel, swivel. All right, so we just twist it out. If I were to turn this way, it looks like this. Twist, twist. So I'm sending my right heel out, in. All right, so we did out, in. From here, you're going to step forward onto your left. 5. We hold 6. We hold another count. Same thing. Putting that right toe forward with another twist, twist. Weight ends on our left foot. Okay, let's back that up and try it again. Weight's on your left because we just came from a side, touch, side, touch. From here we walk. We walk right, left. Here's your swivel. Twist, twist. Now we stomp and hold, step, twist, twist. Weight ends on that left. All right, let's try it again, this time with counts. Remember, you can rewind it as much as you need to. Weights on your left, ready, go. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. Feeling good? All right, let's take that whole thing from the top. You got this. If you're dancing with anyone, turn to someone and say, you got this, you got this. Here we go, weights on your left, headed forward with 3 steps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, touch, step, pivot, stomp, and hold we side, touch, take it forward, walk, walk, swivel, twist, twist, stomp, and hold, twist, twist. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off this dance. So you've got our weight on your left. Watch me first. I'm headed back to where I came from. I go slide, touch, slide, touch, out, out, in. Guess what? End of dance, you learned the whole thing. All right, let's break that last part down. So we're gonna move forward to where we ended, where you're probably hanging out right now. From here, we take our right foot back diagonal. You're gonna slide, touch your left. Left foot, slide, touch your right. From here, we're gonna do what's called a V step. I go forward and out with my right, forward and out with my left, back in with my right, and together with my left. Left foot takes weight. All right, let's try that again. Starting over here at the end of our twist, twist. Ready? Here's our step. Twist, twist. We slide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, it's about that time to take it from the top. And I'm going to show you a couple quick variations that'll make this dance even more fun, as if that were possible. Here we go. Weights on your left. 3 steps forward. Ready? Go. Here's 1, 2, 3. With the kick. Back. Touch. Step. Pivot. Cross. Hold. Ooh. And hold. Step. Touch. Step. Walk it forward for 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist. Stomp and hold. Step. Twist, twist. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go. Out, out, in. All right, amazing. Remember, pause, rewind as much as you need to. Here's a couple things to make this dance extra fun. So we've started at the top with your step, 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 kick, back, touch, and your quarter turn from here. The music has kind of like a slow down element to it, so we can really accentuate our movement. You can cross over with a clap, step out with a clap. From here on this step touch, we can keep it nice and vanilla. That's a good flavor. Or if you want to, you could turn that into like more of a roll touch, roll touch. All right. You can use your arms to kind of get into it more. And there's even a part of the song where he talks about on Fridays, she gon' twerk. So if you know how to move your booty in that way, when you're doing your step touch, you can kind of pop your hips for that twerk. All right. All right, then we've got the end of that dance, so we walk it forward, 2, 3, twist, twist, stomp. That's another great part. Time for a clap if you want to. Step, twist, twist, back, touch, and on this V step, I really love adding a little bit more hips. Again, it kind of has the twerking lyrics in it. So instead of just out, out, in, I'll turn this way so you can see me. You can kind of throw your hips forward and back. You can lead with your hips and bring them back. You could pump with your hips and bring it back. Lots of different fun ways to do it. All right, let's take it one more time, all the way from the top. And this time we'll keep going on to our next wall. And I want you to try whatever variations feel good to you, make sense, and feel fun doing. All right, let's give it a try. Weights on your left foot. All the way through, we're gonna keep going wall to wall. In 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, touch, step. Pivot, 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk it, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, we walk, 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 kick, back, touch, step, pivot, cross, and step, and roll it, you got it, here we go with the walk, walk, twist, twist, stomp, and hold, twist, twist, back, touch, V step from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. We walk, 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 kick, back, touch, step, pivot. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4. Here's your twerk. And 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, how'd you do? We're gonna try it with music coming up. Make sure you rewind as much as you need to and have so much fun. No matter what, dance all out your way.
Well, she smoked that California, that ass from Alabama, and she wanna go shopping and get crab legs in Atlanta, and nobody say Miami, but I say that don't matter, cause she dressed like a city girl and cook just like my grandma, and she ain't from Tennessee, but she attending my eyes, and she mine, Lord willing, and the river don't